Hello everyone, Vivo are planning to launch new smartphone Vivo X100 Ultra and Vivo X100s. Two phones are set to launch in April 2024 and this is the first look how the phone look like. Vivo X100s come with a flat 6.78-inch BOE Q10 OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and the Vivo X100s also come with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC with LPDDR5X RAM with UFS 4.0 storage, and the phone also comes with a 12GB of RAM and up to 1TB storage. In the camera department, Vivo X100s also comes with a triple camera setup in the back. 50MP Sony IMX920 has a main camera, 50MP Samsung JN1 ultra wide, and 64MP OB64B periscope telephoto lens with 120x zoom, and the phone is come with a single selfie shooter. The phone also comes with a 5000 mAh battery and 120W fast charger, and the rumor also said that the phone starting price is 4000 RMB for 12GB of RAM and 256GB storage. Let me know in the comment section below your thought about Vivo X100 Ultra and Vivo X100s. That's for today's video, and make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I'll be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.